Look at this, guys. We haven't had rain now for, I don't know, about a day and a half or so. As you can see, it's beautiful sunny skies, and we still have water nicely draining from, I believe this is 150 feet of level ground. The only slope that there is in this entire run, I think it's 158 to be exact, is this tiny little bit of slope that we have out here in the front yard, which still has not been done yet, but we're not going to do it until after the rainy season out here in California. But you can see where the line of HydroBlox runs underneath the front yard out to this drain pipe. And so obviously we need to fix the curb and neaten that up a little bit, but that's just beautiful to see. The water is draining nicely, and again, I want to emphasize that's 158 feet of level surface, and the water is draining out beautifully. For more information, go to hydrobloxwest.com. Again, hydrobloxwest.com, and HydroBlox is with an X.